used to only use loose lamb's wool to protect my feet. I also wear like a little jelly toe spacer, like a little silicone spacer in between my first and second toe to try and prevent the bunion thing. They came up with these fancy, actually that reminds me, I need to send this bitch an email. They came up with these fancy, like, you know that stuff that they use to make retainers with? That they put in your throat? It's actually kind of annoying when it's in your throat. But it's like that one-way chemical reaction that hardens in your mouth. It's like a weird gel. You can make toe pads out of that, so it fills in the gaps in your shoes, and it helps like relieve some of the pressure points. I've been using those for a few years now, and I feel like they're pretty good. Oh, the person telling me was from Russia. I think there may have been something that having to have the right body or ethnicity for it to get no damage. I don't think necessarily. I mean, if you're really overweight, obviously it's going to be more strain on your feet. I don't think ethnicity, is like a thing. Because everybody kind of has... Ooh, good song. We just got a new horse, and the kids named it Mayo. Sometimes mayonnaise. Oh my god. I still have reoccurring dreams about my old retainers. In times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she's standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Steve, yes. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. I watched a movie yesterday, it was really good. Really? Broken-hearted people living in the world agree there will be an answer. Is that your main form of dancing? Yeah. I was thinking anti-inflammatories and bone cartilage healing promoters. Yeah. I love hyaluronic acid. I should probably take some. I haven't been, but I might start doing that again. How do you know so much about that stuff, solid emptiness? Let it be. Do you do something like physical as well that requires you to take that stuff? Because Doe loves acid. Oh my god. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. I'm a super smart guy. I believe that. Let it be. Uh-oh, I kind of ripped that shit. Uh-oh, I'm ripping it. Ah! Let it be, let it be. The smart, the concept behind the movie yesterday was pretty interesting. Like, I didn't really understand how they were going to make it a... I'm a sleepy guy. I am too. Biomed researcher. Do you like how I have to squint to read that? Did you see me squint to read that? Oh my god. And when the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. To the sound of music, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Yeah, there will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, yeah, let it be. Old Lady Joe needs her cheaters to read. I was super worried about the few other people that also remembered. Wait, super worried about what? More Arcade Fire. Why do I feel like you're talking about like in the movie? Every inch of skin's got a scar. Rokitrick, welcome in the movie yesterday. I came for the gun show. Don't come. We see your guns, Mike. Why do you keep asking for the guns? Here's a better. Okay, I haven't done Pilates tonight though. Is the film yesterday like Across the Universe? I feel like it's very different. This is weird to say, but you look like a completely different person without bangs. You mean like, are you saying I have bangs right now? Like, I feel like it gives, that's what I like about having them, is I feel like it gives a lot of, like, variety of, like, looks, you know what I mean? I have a really big forehead, so when I'm wearing my bangs, yeah, it makes, like, a huge difference. Honestly, I think I look better without bangs. But I don't even mind. Thank you, though. Also, Lewd Hamster, welcome. Did I welcome you? I don't even know. I'm sorry if I didn't. So they break. Because every time you smile, it's a fake. No, just got here. Hello. The game I play has an emote that shows off guns. I immediately thought of you. Like guns or like someone's muscles. Get a mullet. I do have a mullet. This is my version. It's very versatile. Muscle show. Daddy, how come you're never around? I miss you every night. Food on the stove. Leave your car in the middle of the road. Skip everything now. Make us up till they break. Music in this song is so peaceful. Get to the chopper. What? Like an Arnold show, you know, flexing. Everything now, I live without. I can't live without. Every room in my house is full of shit I couldn't live without. Can't live without. Ooh, 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 ooh. That like singing in the background reminds me so much of the Stones. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't know why. It gives me sympathy for the devil vibes. Do you ever get emotional when you're dancing? Oh my god, all the time. Are you too focused on what you should be doing and where you're at? That is a really good question. All the time. I'm a particularly, I mean, you guys know, if you've been on the stream for a while, you know I'm an emotional bitch. Like, I will just break down and cry for any fucking reason. I cry all the time. Like, even in shows, like, I've had moments where I, like, basically start crying. I mean, I don't fucking lose it completely if I'm, like, performing. But yeah, I mean, it gets intense. And I mean, it should, I mean, I think to a certain extent it should be that way. Because it's, a lot of times you're telling a story. A lot of times an emotional one. I mean, hell, like when I did Swan Lake, like she fucking kills herself to save all of her